Yeah, really?
Look. All you do is one time the fish, dog. The beam brings it closer to your eye.
I've been out here for 20 years. A lot of things I've done. Things I haven't. We'll make a real quick phone call. Must be the fucking cops again. See? Blue 42. We got a 115. See out here. I pimp them hoes. I smack them bitches around. I take names. I kill people. Well, I used to. Hold on a minute, I got a phone call. It's very important. I used to kill people, remember that. Hello? Yeah, oh, I haven't seen Johnny. No. Nope. No. Oh, you're moving your apartment? You found a heavy box that was taped up with clothes hanging out of it? Johnny's in there? Oh, I have no clue. Nope, wrong number. Sorry. Well, back to what I was saying. See, out here in California, we'll take your shit. Run up on you, in the alley, dark, daytime, night, front of the cops. Who gives a fuck? See, this is a holiday. Hold on 1 minute. We're going to celebrate Johnny's death. God, congratulations on the Holy Brother. Johnny's dead body in the box. And everybody... And he was killed today on the 27th, on the whatever time. Hey, you got a lighter? Hey, who in the hell? Hey, there's a parking lot tipping right there. Oh, my bad, I can't see it low. I want to see high and shit. Oh, come on, hey, how you doing? You look sexy to me. I don't think so. Check it out. This is condolences. You know, I see my condolences to everybody in the Johnny's family. You know, his mother. To his family, his mothers and sisters. This is for you, Johnny in the box. Oh, it's clear. That's that shit. Johnny? I'm sorry I couldn't take a bitter hit, bitch. But you owed me money. Now you're blowing up like a smoke. Condolence, my friend. Still my ass to you.